If you want to market your business during the coronavirus impact, then stay tuned because I got the top strategies for you to market your business during these tough times. So right now, tons of industries are struggling, like travel, food, and education. They've had to change their entire daily routine and how they operate. If you're a business in one of those industries or any industry that's struggling right now during these tough times, I'm going to tell you the top strategies you can use to market your business and start generating sales. So let's get started. So number one is reach out to customers through social media. So a lot of people say to utilize social media, and what they mean is you should go on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, wherever you can find people, and you should engage with them. You should go on, platforms and friend them and connect with them and then start a conversation using the direct message feature. You should try to do 10 to 100 messages a day on certain platforms and just start conversations. Just say, hey, how's it going? How's your family doing? And then ask, how you can help them or if you can help them or what they're struggling with. And then maybe you could provide a service for them. This will get you an idea as to what people are looking for right now during these tough times. So number two is pay-per-click ads. So paid advertising is one of the best ways to reach out to people fast at a low cost and then convert on sales. You can use tons of platforms. I use Google ads and I've used Facebook ads, Snapchat ads, YouTube ads. So you can use a lot of different ad platforms to generate customers and leads. And basically you just put out a campaign, like a video, saying, hey, we're in this together with you, and then tell a little bit about your story and then maybe just entertain people or inspire them, educate them. And then you can retarget the people that watched it a lot, and then you can continue to do that until, 4 or 5 videos in, and maybe then you try to sell something. And in the meantime, you're offering something free and you're trying to get people to subscribe to your email list. And you can do a lot for just $5 a day, no matter if you're a big organization or if you're just one person as a digital marketer or you have your own store. So number 3 is email marketing. So email marketing is a great way to market to your existing list of people. You can send 2 to 3 emails a day, just entertaining, engaging with people and learning about, how they're feeling and trying to, get them to opt in for free offers and stuff like that to build your rapport. If you don't have a list, don't worry, because you can use organic traffic and paid ads to get people to opt in for a lead magnet, and then you can start emailing those people. Number 4 is direct mail. So direct mail is super old school, but it works really well. So people right now are in their homes and they're just sitting around, and a lot of people are reading mail because they are checking for their stimulus check or they're trying to see what bills they have to pay. So you should be sending a lot of direct mail, and this way you can reach out to people all the time and send out free coupons and stuff like that and try to get people to subscribe to your brand. So number 5 is chatbots. So chatbots like Facebook Messenger and ManyChat are great platforms to connect with leads in a way that is not where you have to be, on the phone or, in the Messenger chat every time, like if you direct message people. So you can set up predefined conversations, and then it will lead down a conversation flow based on what they say. So you can give them a set of options. You could say, hey, how's it going? Hey, do you like free food? Hey, is your family doing okay? And then you can kind of direct a automated conversation from there. It won't be perfect, but it is a great way to automate, retarget, and reach out to leads when you don't want to be in that chat all day and you want to be able to scale quickly. The number 6 is influencer marketing. So you should try to go after smaller influencers, which are called micro influencers, that have really targeted niche audiences that don't receive a ton of promotional offers as much as like a brand like Kim Kardashian, because this way you can increase your effectiveness with your outreach. The engagement will be higher and people will be more likely to buy. And if you have success with micro influencers, then you can scale up from there. And number 7 is create content, and more content. There's nothing better than using a platform like TikTok, YouTube, or podcasts, and even blogging to get free traffic to your page and then to convert on people in your marketing funnel. So you should be testing different messaging, different stories, and you should try to see what people are engaging with and what they're not engaging with, see what other people are doing, and try to put out similar content, and then just keep putting out content. It's a great time to split test and retarget using organic traffic. I hope this was helpful. If you like this, then hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to hear more content like this, I'm providing daily business value and tips to help you accelerate your life and your business. So you can subscribe to my channel. If you're a podcast member, you can subscribe to my podcast as well. If you want to learn from marketing pros how to market your business like a pro and make 6 to 7 figures online, then I'm going to have a link in my description below that you can click and you can learn more about that. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.